Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add line numbers in Google Docs. So as an example I have this two-page document, and what I'm going to do, firstly I would select Tools in this top menu bar, then from the drop down select Line Numbers. Now this is going to show you this right side menu, and from here first thing you need to check Show Line Numbers if you want to actually see them. And here we go. So you can see those blue numbers to each line. And as you can see on the new page, it started from the number one again. So it's not continuous. If you want to continue, so this is 34 and the next page is going to start 35. What you can do, you can click on this continue throughout the document and you can see it's going to continue now. So you have 34, 35. Another way what you can do is you can restart on each section. So let's say if you want to have multiple sections in one page, which are going to start from number one, you can place your cursor where you want to start from the number one. So let's say I want to start the number one instead the number 18. So I'm going to place the cursor here, then go to insert, break, and you want to select this section break continues. Click on it. Now you want to select on this right hand menu restart on each section, and this is it. Now you have number one. You can actually remove this 18 and you can do this as many times as you want. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.